Besky, we are coming. Welcome to Dongguan Besky Industry Company Limited. I will show you some details inside. Follow me. Besky has 3 buildings. Building A is for office, factory of mobile charger. Building B is for factory of power bank, and also including warehouse of finished product. And building C is for warehouse of packaged materials.
Hello guys, this is Linda from Besky. Besky was founded in 2008, specialized in power bank, cable, charger, and so on. Now let's go and visit our factory. Honor is a very important part in a company that can show the strength of the company. Besky is a high-tech enterprise, also passed BSCI audit and get the ISO quality control system. We also carried with the CE, RoHS, FCC, KC, BIS, and so on. Here is our publicity column. This is our organizational structure. And this part is quality objectives. Our Besky pay more attention on quality control to meet different kinds of customers' standards. And we always take some social activities in different periods. You can see some wonderful time here. This is our boss. Can you find me? And the next is notice. If we have some notification, we will show here. Now you can find some wonderful photos.